Yeah, hi, hello everyone, mabuhay. Habirism Tubuka is back as usual, always on the move. Today we are going to visit one of the oldest, or probably the oldest train station here in Kuala Lumpur. Today we're just trying to go around and see what we can capture inside these stations, which is actually inside there. We're still inside the car, and it's very nice weather here in Kuala Lumpur today, Friday. And as you can see, that is actually the monorail track nearby the station here at Brickfield area. And I can also show you where is the tallest building in Kuala Lumpur here right now is there. Hopefully that you can see some of those tall buildings. I can see it from here, the telecom tower over there. And so let's go. Yeah, so let's go out and have a quick look at the station, which is there. It's nice station. It's the old one, still a very old station here. And hopefully that we can see the monorails that is passing through here before we go inside. As you can see, it's a very old parking here. It's very odd. But it used to be a very full parking, especially in the morning. And yeah, and there you go. Oh, that's the monorail. That's the actually the LRT Kelana Jaya line there. Yeah, one of them, that's the entrance D over there. So I don't think we can go inside, but let's see. And we go in. Let's go. Old station, but it's still functioning. Toilet. A lot of commuters probably are still parked here. Skip B. Just outside. So this is the station waiting area. Chinese New Year. More access. Pasar Road. Ticket. We have to walk until the end. That's not so scary area. Was it? No. That's where we came from. Go to the roadside and see. So that is where the old station is. And here we are, the front of it. Nice walk. A little bit traffic. It's not so traffic jam there because it's holiday. So main office. Now we're going back. Yeah, that's where we came from. Train is alright. There you go. Well, okay guys, that's all I'm gonna a quick visit here at the Kuala Lumpur KTM station. It's been a long time, I've never been here. Probably more than 15-20 years now, so nice to be back and still the old buildings. Yeah. And that's all for now, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.